All right, we're gonna go ahead and unload and get our tent set up there. And this stuff's gotta come off. So I'm gonna see what we have here. Not really too hard. Get that off of there. So you got another one here. This bad boy off of here. You tricky little bugger. And with that, I'm gonna pass this backpack and lean up against that tree over there to this amazing young lady here. Okay, for that. Not much to it. My Lobo has some straps on it, and these little loopy ties here, pretty great. What's going on here? It's just tied off. So you just slip this over something with a loop, show it to you real quick. Right there's your loop, put it through wherever. And pull it through here, and there you have it. You have your fastener. So what happened is I lost one of these. So I pulled one of these off of here. There's one of these on the bag itself. And I took the end of a tie down and I made a new one. So now I have all four. The bag is now free. Good. Now this bag is secured here, here, and here, and we're into the goods. And my fan is on. What's up with that? Go off now. So here's a peek in my bag. Got my cooler. We're going to be using that. Store that over there. I guess we'll put everything right over there. You can put that mattress down on the floor. It'd be great. Pass you a couple items. We got dessert. Get some mac and cheese, some ramen noodles, health food, of course. Little fire starters. Portable heater head. Couple of tanks. Old used tanks. I got a new one in there too, somewhere. Got my little cooking pot with my awesome little rocket stove. I love this little thing. It's not actually a rocket stove, but it's like a $14 stove, and it goes on top of the propane tank. These little guys fold out and make for some really good, convenient place to cook. And I got a series of pots here, as you can see. Pass those on. Got a sheet here. Now we're down to the tent. I got a air pump for the mattress and two chairs. Chair 1, chair 2, and voila, the tent. But more importantly, right now I need this bad boy. Yep, just be at the bottom. I need the tarp, so I can lay that out. Good. So we'll get our tarp set up there. As you can see, we laid our tarp out. Not too far from the fire. It's going to be hot tonight, or cold tonight, so we want to be reasonably close to the fire. We're actually going to have our little chairs sitting on that, and the tent's going to be further back. So let's set the tent up. Set this tent up, baby. Got a sheet, and in that backpack I have a bunch of blankets. Chair 1. So the grainy footage you're looking at now is my attempt to enhance this this clip. But, you know, we ran out of light, and I didn't have a spotlight for this, and so you don't see us putting up the air mattress and setting up the chairs, but you can see the chair there on the left of the tent, and there were 2 of those, and we had a really good night. So you're going to see the rest of the night, but Next time, I bought a spotlight, and we'll be able to light this baby up, and you'll be able to see everything perfectly. So I have made a little light setup for the GoPro. So I'm going to turn on, it's a 3-way light. There's 1, there's 2, there's light number 3. So this light setup cost me about $5. A little Velcro, a little imagination, and I have a light. Turn this off, you can't see anything. So as you can see right there, we got our fire all set up. We gathered some extra wood, and we are chilling. Got a couple cold drinks ready to go for the 2 of us. I'm here with my most lovely lady friend, and she's going to keep me company tonight. We're going to have some laughs and enjoy the quietness of the wilderness. And so we are dual motor camping tonight. It's hunting season, and I want to be quiet for a second to listen to the silence. Yeah, it's cold enough. There are no crickets, no sound at all. We'll crank you back up later. But behind me, as you can see, we got our tent all set up. We have an air mattress in there. It's gonna be nice and cozy, a bunch of blankets. We're looking again at a temperature of about 37 degrees tonight, possibly colder. All right, well guys, we're off in the woods to get some wood. A nice down tree here, so I do pretty well. This time around, I have someone to help me carry back. It's a nice piece. Another nice piece. Look at this saw go. We can drag this haul back. We just have 2 hands full. One way to get warm, cut some damn wood. Whew. Whatever we can carry. We'll have to come back a few times. Whew, out of breath. We got one hell of a fire going here, guys. One hell of a fire going. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. And I'm on my 3rd beer, so I'm feeling nice. Beautiful fire. Really great company. We're having some great conversations here. Right now, it's enough to know that we're having fun. And by the way, there's a can over there. So here's what we did. Oh, it's so funny. So we put a Budweiser aluminum screw top can on the fire with the top screwed closed. Okay, it was empty, but there must have been a little moisture in it. You want to get up and show that to them? So, like, say that. So we're sitting here and put it on. I thought it was going to melt, like the other one we put on disappeared. It melted. It's gone, literally. In fact, do we have another one to melt? We're going to melt another one. I'll have you put that right in the fire when you get up, right exactly where the other one melted. So anyway, it exploded, kind of literally like a gunshot, and flew across the thing. We're lucky we didn't lose an eye. But yeah, go ahead, throw that on there. And show them what happened to the can. Whoa. That baby exploded big time. Jack Brisk just uploaded another video. What? We just uploaded a video, guys. Come check this out. You guys remember Van and his dad here, the ones we saw on the side of the road, the guys who had a dead battery? Well, we have an update. Van did indeed get the jump start they wanted, and they got home safely. It was really nice meeting you guys, by the way. But as a tribute to them, we're going to play this little video clip we have from last time, and then we're going to jump back into the motor camping video. So here we go. See what's going on. What's up, guys? What's going on? All right, man. Smash it.
If we get broke down, you leave us out here to die, we're going to count as cannibal.
Yeah, you give me some comments, man. They left me out here to die. You guys mind being on YouTube?
We are on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. Something or...
As many likes as you can.
Yep.
Woo!
That's right.
Woo! Woo!
You got any...
That like button.
Do...
Woo! Woo! Woo!
That's right.
Woo! Woo!
You got any...
That like button.
Do...
Woo! Woo! That like button.
That's right.
That like button. That like button.
With the fire in the background.
Alright, got a small fire started. Got that time for me to sit back and relax. Alright, let's do that. I love this chair.
A video in a video, guys.
Yeah. Let's see what I have in the cooler. Oh, would you look at that? I have something in the cooler. First ice cold drink of the night.
Okay, we have an ice cold drink of the night right here.
Just a Moto
I turn my
can.
light back on.
A peace and quiet.
Yeah. A little peace and quiet.
This ain't so bad at all. I think I might do this again, guys. Cheers.
So we're getting a little hungry here, so we're gonna have some macaroni and cheese. So we're gonna light this fire. So she's doing a good job. We're making some mac and cheese. And I'll tell you what, we'll time it. I'm not sure I'm gonna film the whole thing, but this water boils really fast. We used 1 bottle of water. I'm not really sure that's enough for the mac and cheese we have, but let's hope it is. Right? We'll find out if it's not. We'll add some more water and we'll keep cooking. But that man, that is amazing. This thing fits in the palm of your hand. Of course, you need a propane tank, but it fits in the palm of your hand and it does an amazing job. Our fire's been keeping us really warm. We're down to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm on like 4th beer, so I'm enjoying an oatmeal cookie. Good. It's actually really good. Is that all the way up? Oh, geez. That's sick. Yeah. Whoa, we're boiling. We're ready to check it out. Oh my gosh. It's been like, what, 2 minutes? That's crazy. I'm steaming up. Hold on, let me fix my lens. All right, go ahead and add the mac. Is that enough? There's enough water. 1 bottle of water seems to work on a box of mac. Yeah. Crazy how fast that boils. Give that stuff a chance to actually soften up. Wow, I love that little stove. And I'll show you what I bought on Amazon. And if I'm not mistaken, it was like $15. And I'll show you that, and I'll show you the adapter I bought too. Now, if you don't buy the adapter, it's going to fit on one of the mini propane tanks. If not, you buy the adapter for a couple bucks, whatever. It's about $10 probably. Okay. And the reason I did that is for nights like tonight. So if I go camping and it's cold out, I want to bring a big propane tank. I don't want to bring one of those little portable ones to cook with. I want to bring something I can heat my body with as well. So yeah, there it is, mac and cheese. It's over frothing. Turn it down. Yeah. Wait. There you go. Yeah, it was actually over. It was over boiling. It was frothing too much. It was going to froth out of the freaking pot. So that's cool. I have an idea actually. What if you take and add one of the ramen noodles to it, and this way there'll be enough to share? What do you think?
Sure.
Yeah. So we're probably going to cook these noodles. When they get close to soft, I'm going to throw a packet of ramen noodles in here too. Taste test. Not done yet. Okay. It's pretty cool though, right? I mean, do you like that stove or what?
I love it.
Yeah, that's a great stove. Did you say nature's home?
Nature's home.
Oh no. Just gotta go sample. Nah, I guess we'll have to find a tree. So here's a tip for women. If you find that you need to pee in the woods, or maybe number 2, a good tip is to find a skinny tree, something you can put your hands around, grab hold of it with one hand, and bend over and squat. Use the tree's support so you can lean further back, right? It's a good tip. It is a good tip. I read that in a Stephen King book, actually. Something about being lost in the woods or something. This girl was like lost and her parents were missing. And pretty cool, huh? Well, whatever. It's still a good tip. We got some mac and cheese going. I need a light. Now what I want to do in here is keep enough starch, which I think is just right. We're not adding butter or anything else to this, so the starch from the pasta is going to be all you need to make the cheese packet work. Full meal coming here. Just leave the starchy water in the pasta, and if you make a mac and cheese or whatever, it makes for a nice thick base. That's looking pretty good. Gotta keep mixing that up. And if you let that sit for 5 minutes, it's going to get so thick. And it's piping hot too. So it's probably good. So I'm like not hungry. I'm going to let her enjoy that. Hopefully there's something left, but if there's not, I'll make more. How is it?
Ooh, really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
That was good food.
Good combination.
Close up of that. I'll watch you grab some. Oh, it looks so good. Beautiful hot mac and cheese and a little bit of ramen noodles in there. Oh, that's good. That's good. How does it taste, by the way? Yeah, awesome. Excellent. Tomorrow morning, have some beautiful hot coffee. Instant coffee. You know, instant coffee does taste like crap, by the way. Let's be real. But, yeah, exactly. But, you know what? As opposed to no coffee, I'll take the instant coffee. It's quite nice to have a hot beverage early in the morning. Has turned into ice crystals. It is 32 degrees out. It's cold, baby. All right, everybody. Pretty much about to settle in. Have my bottle of water, some extra propane tanks right here, which is not even in use right now. I mean, with this all buttoned up, at the moment, I feel pretty good. I don't feel cold yet. But when I'm ready, there's that. I have a lighter hanging here. Have my phone. We have extra flashlights. Have a little protection in the unlikely event a bear comes tearing my tent apart. And got some blankets. We're looking all pretty good here. Both of us are cozy. And that's about it. So I'm going to have to say goodnight. This is Jack Brisk signing off for the night. I'm going to turn my main light off. By the way, this is a fan as well. So I'm turning my lights off. It's quite nice. Very safe. Very little left. Just a little twinkle. There's no wind tonight. And it is about 32 degrees out. 12:26. Well, good night, everybody. Well, made it through the night. Got down to 30s. And it was pretty chilly, but not too bad. The heater definitely paid off. And yeah, so gonna get out there somehow. Good morning. It is a beautiful morning. A lot of frost on the trees, but it looks pretty cool over there. You got a big mess to clean up. And yeah, it was cold last night. That's gonna be fun to sit on. Alright. I can make a snowball. I'm gonna try buffing that off before I sit my ass on there. Alright then. Coffee's looking good. Yeah. Campsite's getting there. Almost cleaned up. We have a mess. But we're getting there. A beautiful sunrise. All the frost from last night's melting off the trees is quite lovely. Before, I'm not sure if the camera picked up any of it, but... So we're doing a little cleanup too. We're gonna check the entire campsite, but always pack your trash out. So I got my coffee bag here. Yeah, I'm noticing we have some clipped aluminum. I'm gonna crush that all up. Put it inside my little Ziploc. You're gonna do stuff like this, guys. Don't be one of those people, you know? Make sure you clean your mess up. By abusing the privilege, maybe it's a right, but by abusing it, one way or another, by abusing it, the towns, the state forest, the wardens, whoever, end up imposing rules where you can't come. And let's not do that. Let's make the place nice and neat. So, well, there we have it. We're all packed up. Pretty tight here. I'm gonna leave our merry campsite. Head back to my place. Yeah. Well, guys, it's a beautiful morning, and I'm going to get on the road, get home to my nice comfy house, and take a nice warm shower. And this is Jack Brisk saying thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Jack Brisk out.
Hit that like button. Hit that like button.
We're pretty much out of here. My mirror got messed with. I make sure no deer sneaks up behind me. I don't want no deer back there. Oh, nice to get on the road. Well, that was a good night. I will definitely be doing this again. I think I'm going to find a new spot next time. It's really beautiful back here. Really nice in the morning, too. Woohoo! Made it to the main trail.